budget is to give us an opportunity to provide the kind of curriculum enrichment and support so the youngsters can access the standards at the grade level and the materials effectively. But the bottom line is this: the money that you see in this budget, our goal has to bring students to grade level or no more than 2 grade levels beneath the teaching level that students are placed. That permits the teachers to do small groups effectively.
So the Connecticut population, in general, the blue bars has declined. It's gone down over this 10 years that I'm showing you here, or 8 years, however many. And Danbury's, the red line, we're going up in a complete inverse. That not only is our population growing, but increasingly it's more expensive to appropriately educate our population of kids. And then this is a special education slide to show that, when you cross with enrollment and the investment over time, we haven't necessarily kept pace with the enrollment increase. And this is a breakout, just a high level of our budget request. What we did is we broke out the maintenance budget, and then by type, our different investment requests, I'm calling them, but our different needs and asks for what we're requesting.